Okay, so today is November 17th, 2019. We're just gonna go check out the greenhouse. I've been busy at work this week, so I haven't really been in there, but it's 50 degrees today. It's supposed to get into the mid 50s, and I'm hoping the snake is still in the greenhouse because I think it's warm enough to catch him and let him go. While we're in here, we'll just check on a few other things, so let's go check it out. Now, because this little snake has been so aggressive every time I've tried to touch him, I've got a bucket here with a lid and a shovel, and it looks like he may be preparing for winter. You can see he's actually dug a hole underneath this little rock. Okay, so just to create a little more drama, I'm gonna save the snake catching for the end of the video, but let's take a quick look in the greenhouse and see how things are going. Okay, so 50 degrees outside means we're over 70 degrees inside. With these balming temperatures, you can see the orange tree is getting some blooms here. Obviously, we're not gonna get oranges because it will get too cold in here in the winter time. But if you look up here, there's another one right there, and another one right here. And with our little lemon tree, you can see the new growth here. It's still growing. Lastly, we have the limes on the lime tree. These aren't looking so good. I don't know if we're gonna get anything out of these this year. I think they'll die. And then here you can just see a bunch of the plants we have kind of in the center of the room, and we can just kind of water those throughout the year if needed. But I think the moisture we have coming off the ceiling, if you look up here, is gonna keep everything moist enough. Okay, that's enough excitement with the plants. Let's go catch that snake. Okay, I'm just looking down on him, and with his tail hanging out, it's probably pretty safe for me to just reach in and grab him by the tail and pull him out. He's been so aggressive, I'm pretty sure he's gonna try to bite me. I think it's best if I climb down inside here. Okay, here we go. I don't want to hurt him, so I'm holding him really gently, and I'm hoping he'll just kind of come out. If not, I'll use the shovel to dig him out. Okay, he's actually sliding out nice and easy. See? Oops, I got scared and I let him go. Like I said, he's been awful bitey, so I'm kind of afraid he's gonna try to bite me. I'm such a wimp. I don't want to get bitten by this little snake. Let's see if we can just get her to slide right in there. See if we can get it to just climb into this little bucket. Obviously, we don't want to hurt this precious animal. Come on, let's get into the bucket. There we go. Just get that little tail to go in there. And voila. Close it up. And that, my friends, is how a wimp catches a snake. Let's go take him outside and let him go. Okay, so we have this nice little fire pit area here with trees and bushes. So I think we'll take this little snake up here and let him go where we have some firewood and rocks. And that will give him some nice hiding places. You can see this nice pile of firewood right here, some bushes and big rocks to climb in. So I think this is probably a pretty good space. So I think we'll do that right here. Okay, so I found a nice quiet spot here among the rocks, and I think we can try to let the snake go right here and try not to get bit, like I said. There we go. Now, let's see if this beautiful little boy or girl, whatever it is, wants to come out. Put my hand right here and allow the snake to just come out on its own. If it feels threatened, obviously it'll bite me. Might bite me anyways. We'll see. But I'm sure it would prefer to just stay in the greenhouse, but the problem is I can't provide food for it in the greenhouse, so I'm gonna dump the snake out here on my hand. Smelling me. I don't want to hurt you, buddy. Okay, so we got the little snake here. It's interesting to me how snakes and other creatures like this, often, once they know you're not there to hurt them, they'll calm down and stuff, because this snake, when it was in the greenhouse, there's no way I would reach down and pick it up. It was just too crazy, but now you can see it's calmed down quite a bit. Okay, so now we're gonna set this little beauty down on a rock and allow it to find its way somewhere warm. Just want to find a nice flat rock. Maybe it's warm and the snake can find a little bit of warmth off those rocks before it finds a spot for the winter. Well, that's it for the update. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.